competing in 5 events to see who wins the golden slime.
First, whoever makes the most slime bubbles in 30 seconds wins. 3, 2, 1, go.
Oh, no. I wasn't ready.
I don't care that you weren't ready.
That was 1.
Oh, I'm absolutely being the CEO. I'm being an elite employee.
You know, a fun thing about CEOs is they really don't do that much of the actual labor, and that's really more of my job, so. Doubles are extra points.
I swear, your slime is easier.
Don't make
mine.
excuses. We're not even done with the challenge.
Done. All right, Christian had 8 bubbles. Christian wins.
Let's go!
Up next, we're having a race, but there's a twist.
Instead of shoes, we're going to be wearing bins of slime. Whoever gets both of their bins across the finish line first wins. Oh no. Oh no, it's worse than I thought it was gonna be. Why is it so liquidy? This one should be a little bit easier. How the heck? Oh, goodness gracious.
It's time to step in. Oh, that's not even that bad. Aaron's just overreacting.
Way less liquidy than mine.
You're overreacting. This doesn't even feel that bad.
Okay, hopefully mine is better than theirs. Ugh, that feels so bad. This one's worse. Oh my God, they're both terrible.
They're going down. You guys know who Vector is from Despicable Me? He's right there. It's him. I'm a big fan.
You guys are both going down.
No, you're going down.
No, you're going down.
Are you guys ready?
Yeah.
No. Okay, 3, 2, 1, go!
No! No!
Did we win?
Anna wins.
I won! Oh no! Look at Aaron on the floor.
No! You fell.
Get out of my way.
You guys, something horrible just happened. Not only did I break my slime bin, don't tell anyone I'm completely covered in slime right now.
I'm actually impressed, Anna. I thought,
I used all my strength.
yeah. Whoever makes the best version of this slime in 2 minutes wins.
What? 2 minutes? Absolutely not.
In this next challenge, time is your greatest enemy, and it starts now.
2 minutes. Okay.
I've never been so stressed in my whole life.
Oh God, no.
Oh no, my glitter already fell.
This is gonna take 2 minutes just for me to think of the word of what I'm doing right now.
I'm just cooking.
Why are you cooking? You're supposed to be making slime.
I like this slime though. Ruby Froggy is pretty cool.
Ruby Froggy.
Oh my God. All right, I'm trying not to mix it up.
All my pigment's falling out.
Mine too. This is such a mess.
Little did you know, I'm the fastest slime maker at Peachybbies.
Yeah, but that's not even fully mixed in. Pick it up, Christian.
It's supposed to be accuracy as well.
So we've got to make sure that the pigment is really in there.
No.
Whew, how are you already onto your 3rd color?
45 seconds.
What?
Are you kidding me?
All right, we got to do a nice twist.
How are you onto the
All right,
twist
I gotta
already?
do the twist. I gotta do the twist.
How are you onto the twist already?
I need to get a final product.
No, I haven't won. No.
All right, we got to get a nice little twist in there.
Oh my God, mine looks so bad. Oh no.
Put it in the cup. That looks pretty good, honestly.
All right, I'm just plating at this point. Mine looks terrible.
That looks pretty bad.
All right, I don't know.
Derpy Frog.
Oh, I finished. Wait, they're done. Oh, I didn't put glitter. No, but they were doing it after. They were doing it after.
No, I
They're
didn't.
cheating.
I picked it up
You
off
were
the
cheating.
table.
No,
I
they were
finished right on
cheating.
time.
There were no new elements added to the slimes after the time expired.
Yeah, that's
what
what
the judges say.
Freaking nonsense, dude.
Now it's time for Daphne to judge which of ours is closest to the original. Okay, may I pick them up? Yeah, and examine. Okay, here's what we're working with. What a cute slime. The thing I noticed right off the bat about this one is the color is maybe the worst, but they did include all of the charms, except this frog is drowning. I'm gonna eliminate that one. So sorry. I'm sure an effort was made. Okay, here's the thing. This one has the glitter and the sprinkles. Like this one has some sprinkles. Keep in mind that things can sink. I'm asking, is there a flower down there? Because this one has the flower charm
And the
and
colors
the
are
smiley face charm.
pretty accurate.
You guys, I'm not supposed to know. Yeah, well, they could be either of ours.
Cheating.
But I'm just gonna forget that. Yeah, the charms do sink sometimes.
Y'all cheated.
Because this one has the glitter and the sprinkles, I am going to say this one is the winner. Yes! Yes!
Whoever can stack their slimes the highest in 1 minute wins.
Yeah, you're going down, Aaron.
Okay, we gotta go fast.
This make me nervous.
I'm just gonna go with the single. I'm going all in.
Okay, so my strategy is probably to stack them like cups.
I think 4 is good. We don't want to get too crazy.
I'm going all in.
Honestly, We gotta make sure that they look balanced.
The ladies are getting lapped right now.
Christian is beating me right now, and I really need to make sure that Christian does not.
All right, I'm just building up the base a little bit.
I'm nervous. I'm not gonna lie. This is getting too tall.
All right, gotta be real careful. I don't want it to fall.
Time.
I think you won.
I think I won too.
Aaron wins.
I knew it. I knew it.
No!
Now it's time for the final round.
Aaron is in the lead with 2, 1, and 1.
For this event, we each have a bin of glue and a ton of activator. Whoever can make a slime first that can stretch from the start line all the way to the finish line without breaking wins.
Oh my. I just put all of it in.
God, me too.
If it over-activates, you're not even gonna be able to use it at all.
Yeah, it'll be fine.
It'll be mine.
Definitely needs a little more. I'm gonna add a little more. I don't know.
Going in.
Kind of just, yeah, I just want to go use my hands.
I hate hand mixing my slime. I refuse to do it.
Dude, yeah, mine looks exactly like scrambled
Yeah,
eggs.
yours literally looks like eggs.
Who colored this?
We just gotta get past this weird guts phase.
Is this intimidating? You know I'm about to win.
Oh, my arms are
Mine
burning.
too.
You didn't train for this? I've been training for 4 years.
All right, it's time to put it on the table. Mine's getting there.
I'm getting, my
Gotta
heart
work with
rate,
this technique here. Gotta fold it. It's like we're making pasta.
my arms are so tired. Like this isn't even playing it up.
We just gotta find out if this can make a long stretch enough to get to the finish line.
Slow down.
No.
Hey! All right, we're gonna have to try it again.
And it's getting pretty close.
So if it breaks, it has to go all the way back?
Oh, I found a new technique. Check this out. Ready?
Oh, it broke.
Who did it?
Wait, what?
Slow and steady.
You both are cheating.
Wait, no, I messed up.
Wait, can we do that?
Getting so close.
Bro, I didn't know that. In that case, I would have won a long time ago.
No!
How? How?
I won!
Anna wins.
Yeah! So Anna and I are tied, 2-2.
I guess we have to do a tiebreaker.
If you guys want to see the tiebreaker, get this video to 5,000 likes, and we will see you later.